choosing between Apigee and Kong, let's break down these API management tools to find the right fit for your business. Both Apigee and Kong offer robust API gateway functionality, traffic management, security policies, and analytics. These are the essential features both platforms provide. Apigee is often preferred by larger enterprises requiring stringent security, monetization features, developer portals, and predictive analytics. It offers comprehensive scale and control. Kong shines with its open-source core, plugin-based architecture, and lightweight deployment, making it suitable for microservices and cloud-native environments. It offers agility and flexibility. Consider your needs. Is enterprise-grade security and monetization paramount? Choose Apigee. Do you prioritize flexibility, rapid deployment, and an open-source community? Kong could be the champion. The best API tool depends on your specific use case and environment. Evaluate, experiment with trials, and choose the tool that helps your APIs thrive.